Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to tell you about a new cool feature from one of my favorite design platforms, Kittl. Today we are taking a closer look at the new AI quote generator. As someone who makes t-shirt designs, posters and other merch, I'm always trying to come out with creative and inspiring quotes. It's one of the hardest parts of the process for me. I can never seem to come out with enough good phrases and sayings to use in my designs. That is why I've started using AI tools like ChatGPT to generate quotes for me. It saves me so much time and effort. But I recently realized that Kittl, which is my go-to design software for POD designs, has added its own AI assistant for making quotes. And here is how it works. When you first open the quote generator in Kittl, you can choose a niche or topic from their preset list. This includes major interests like gaming, fitness, pets, motivation, nature, travel, and more. If you don't see a preset niche that fits, you can easily type in your custom keyword or phrase. This allows the AI to generate quotes for literally any niche, even unique ones like real estate slogans, financial sayings, or quirky yoga quotes. After picking your niche, you get to select a mood for the quote. Your options are sarcastic, funny, motivational, happy, sad, and much more. Picking a mood helps the AI to create quotes with a certain vibe and tone. Finally, you get to decide on the length of the quote, from short 4-word quotes to longer 16-word sayings. This lets you tailor the output for different product types. Shorter phrases are great for mugs and bumper stickers, while longer ones work nicely on posters and canvas prints. Once you dial in these three parameters, niche, mood, and length, Kittl's AI generates a batch of relevant quotes in just seconds. It's crazy fast. For a test, I tried setting into the creativity niche with a funny mood and medium length. It came back with awesome quotes like these. I can easily preview all the computer-generated quotes and pick out any ones that inspire me. Now, I've got a few options with these AI quotes. I can add my favorite into Kittl's editor to start a new design, or I can download the full list as a text file to save for later. This gives me an always ready text file of niche-specific quotes to mix, match, and customize however I want. It's amazing for sparking ideas. However, there are two important things to note if you want to use Kittl's quote generator for your own merch business. First, you need credits to generate the quotes, which means having a free account on Kittl. And second, the quotes may be copyrighted, so I would recommend double checking the trademark and copyright status before publishing any designs. But as a starting point for ideation and inspiration, I think this new AI feature is very helpful, and having a full text file of niche quotes in any tone and length saves me so much creative groundwork. This tool also perfectly complements all the other design features in Kittl as well, with its huge font and graphic libraries and easy-to-use editing tools. I can quickly turn those AI quotes into beautiful merch designs. So if you sell print-on-demand products online or want to get started, I highly recommend checking out Kittl and its new AI quote generator. It's an interesting feature you can try. And please let me know in the comments if you give it a try. I would like to hear what creative quotes you are able to generate with it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.